Hey, how's it going? So nice to see you here. Just touching up my makeup after dinner, you know, the after dinner oils that come onto your face. This is my contour powder. Just helps kind of make those cheekbones pop. So after we eat, our skin tends to get a little bit oily. So I've got my powder here. This is our pressed powder. It's a dual powder. Helps with color and with oil absorbing. So you can see there my skin is just going from sheen to matte, looking all brand new. Underneath there I have our BB cream. Helps with moisture, sunscreen, and a little bit of pigment. The color that I wear is a shade light. Love it because it provides so much moisture to your skin after even just moisturizing. It just helps make it one color instead of multi-shades. Now this is our lip gloss. This is the shade Nibble. It's beautiful pink sheen color. Just to get things all ready here. Look pretty for you guys. Ugh. Fabulous. So the purpose of today, the reason why I want to pop on here is last week I showed you how to fill in those eyebrows. As you can see, mine are looking really grizzly right now. I have left them to grow in just because I know you guys have all done the same. So I wanted to tune in here to show you how to maintain them since you can't get into your local esthetician to be able to get your brows done. So I have them filled in. If you need to learn how to fill your brows in, check out our previous video on how to fill your brows in quick and easy. This is just a white eyeliner pencil, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace around the eyebrow just to create a guideline so that way you know where to go in with your tweezers. So I will go in and do that. And I filled my brows in thicker than what I normally do, just so that way I know I'm not going to ruin the design that I have. This is just for maintenance. So going in here with my white pencil, tracing around the brow. I don't want to go up too much in here because I don't know, well, I know, but we don't know where the shape needs to sit, okay? So keeping it lower, going around the brow. Being as I've already filled the brow in a little bit thicker too, it will help with this process. So going around and filling in that brow like boom. Hopefully you've got a white pencil or something that you're able to go, honestly, even black, something that you're able to see on your skin to help you go around the brow so that way you're not feeling a type of way about your brows when you look in the mirror, because filling them in is just not doing them justice anymore. But I mean, how about that? So just going in here now, so you can see how I've went around my brows. I did take it up a little bit too far in there. So what I will do is I will go back in with our brow pomade. This is shade Fawn, pressed powder, but it's more of a cream consistency. I'm obsessed. So I'm just going to try and use this mirror or the camera to fill it in, but won't be able to see very well. Going in here, just filling in where I took that white up a little bit too high because I don't want to take that out. So here comes the fun part, the part where you actually get to clean your eyebrows up. Going in and around where the white outline is. Anything on the outside of that white, you're totally safe to take it out. Don't be afraid. It's okay. It's not going to ruin the shape of your brows. It's just going to make you feel like you're no longer in the jungle. So going in here, just tweezing out these guys in the middle. Can you see them? These caterpillars are trying to become one, if you know what I mean. So cleaning these up. Oh, it feels so good already. So good. And honestly, just keep, because there'll be some blonde hairs there that you won't even see with your naked eye. Just go ham. Don't be afraid. So then going in underneath, again, keeping everything out of the white area. Now, it's ideal when you're tweezing your eyebrows to taut your skin when you tweeze it. It's kind of hard for me to do this on the camera because got these lights in my eyeballs, but staying outside of the white area, all of those hairs can go. Taut the skin nice and tight because you don't want, when you pull the hair off, for it to pull your skin. You can see when I pull this hair here, you see how my skin's coming with it? That's really uncomfortable. So to make it a little bit more of a pleasurable experience, taut that skin and then pull. Then the hair will come out much easier and cleaner. So yeah, go in and go around all of that white area and pull out those guys. This lipstick or lip gloss is so creamy. I love it. Doesn't leave my lips feeling parched afterwards neither, which is really nice. Don't you hate that when you wear a lip gloss and then next thing you know, you feel like you have to apply it like 13 times because your lips are like, I need a drink. Someone give me a drink, I'm thirsty. So yeah, this is how I would suggest being able to clean up your eyebrows at home. Make sure you fill them in. Go a little bit bigger than what you normally would want them to be, and then go around with a color that you're able to see. Then tweeze the hairs on the outside of that color. Make sure that you are not going out anywhere afterwards because you're going to have to wash it all off. Because, I mean, if you want to go out and work these, I mean, girl, you go get it. Fella, you get it too. Because, I mean, people will be looking and be like, what are you doing? Like, what's happening? Oh, you don't like this new? This is new. This is what's going to be coming out into Vogue. Just kidding. Hope you guys are all staying happy, safe, and healthy. Most importantly, staying beautiful.